Tomlinson, and I'm here today with Destiny Walters of the Postmark in Downtown Chillicothe. And we're here to talk to Destiny about this beautiful building, how they've restored it, and what you can expect to see. So thank you for joining me today.
Yeah, absolutely. It's nice to meet you.
You too. So tell us about the Postmark. A lot of people that are from Chillicothe are familiar with the building because it's an iconic piece in our downtown.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about that and how you guys got involved.
Yeah, so this is the Postmark. We came in, we purchased it in November of 2019. I am the venue director. There are 4 owners, a husband and wife out of Gahanna, and a dad and mom that live in Missouri. So it's the Staley family. And so they purchased it and they wanted to keep the history and aesthetics in the building, but they wanted to modernize it. So we put brand new floors in, new lighting. We're hoping to use this for a wedding venue. We have several weddings booked and we're actively booking now, but we'd love to be able to do corporate events, board meetings, all of that stuff as well.
If you haven't been in the building, there's a lot of great options. Obviously the main level has this nice open space, as well as upstairs, which you guys are using, you're leasing out for office space.
Yeah, we have 4 offices currently available for commercial lease, and we would include the utilities and internet and all of that as well.
Okay, awesome. And tell us a little bit about if you were to book a wedding here, like what are the options? Like there's a bridal suite, there's a groom suite, so there are different areas.
Each event is customized to what the client wants. So a lot of the times venues will book in block time. So we do 8-hour blocks, 12-hour blocks, and then full day rental.
Okay.
So it really just depends if they're having their ceremony and reception here or just ceremony. But we do have a bridal suite and a groom's lounge where they can hang out and get ready. Girls can bring in their hair and makeup team, and they have a really nice bridal suite to get ready in. And then the grooms have downstairs, they don't typically need as long as time to get ready, but they have that space as well.
Sure.
And then we just have lots of open space. We can seat 175.
Okay.
We have provided the tables and chairs. We have the mahogany resin chairs, which are really popular right now. So yeah, we'll have all that set up for you. And then we also include a DJ in our rental.
Okay.
One of the owners is a DJ himself, so one of his companies. It was very important to him to have a DJ involved.
Okay.
So our DJs are included in our rental.
Awesome. Well, I know that we're really lucky to have you guys in our community and restoring this beautiful building, not only for our community and our downtown, but obviously great event space to have. And like you mentioned, for a lot of different opportunities, not just weddings, but corporate events or other things that you might need a large space for large groups of people.
Absolutely.
Is there anything else about the building or bookings that you'd like to share with people as far as where they can find you?
Yeah, so we have our website. It's www.thepostmarkoh.com. You can go on there. There's a virtual tour and there's a contact us page, so you can meet the owners and then you can sign up and send us an email and we'll reach back out.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you, Destiny, so much for joining us today. I highly recommend that you guys check it out. This is a great opportunity to have in our community for any event that you might be hosting in the near future, so check it out.